Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on your Microsoft Excel. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your search option here and here type Excel, and this is the Excel application. Just double click here and just go to any blank Excel file, and now on here click the file option and click more option on the left, and here you can see the option. Just click this one, and here you can see office theme. To change it, just expand this option and select dark gray and just select OK. And as you can see, you are enabled the dark mode here, and it is a little grayish, but this is a dark mode here. So in this way you can easily enable dark mode on your Excel. This is the video, and I hope this video helps you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.